So did you train him yourself?
It's instinctive.
Okay, instinctive.
He is a sheepdog.
Okay, he's a sheepdog. Okay. And how long have you had him?
He's 4.5 years old.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Can you just do some like?
Ah, Steve, on me now. Steve, down. Wait. I can't do a quick throw.
Okay.
No?
Yeah.
Ready? Down this way, yeah? Down this way. Down this way. Ready. Who the fuck would give it to you? Sheepdogging.
Can I try? If that's okay? Huh?
He just includes other people in play.
Oh,
He
okay.
loves it. He loves it.
Can I try it?
Go.
What is his name?
Ready.
What's his name?
Snoop.
Snoop. Are you ready?
You have to
There.
take the direction.
It's sheepdogging. He's very intelligent.
He's ridiculously intelligent.
Yeah.
Thank you. Steve, keep going this way, yeah? The thing is, if he catches it,
Yeah.
he's going to run to her
Oh.
and give it to her. That's the problem. Try this direction. Are you ready? Down this way. Ready, mate? Left.
Wow.
He knows directions.
Oh, he's bringing it back to me.
Making your honor.
No. He always includes other people. But he's awesome.
Yeah, he's a lovely dog. Snoop, are you ready? That way.
Oh,
Wow.
not bad, not bad. I'll do it all day long.
Yeah, I can see that. Snoop, that way. Are you ready?
He's good with the ball as well.
Yeah, okay.
He can play football.
Wow.
Right, let's see if I can get a good throw in.
Okay, alright.
Come on, let's do one step at this, yeah?
Ooh,
Oh, they're not.
that was so close.
Somebody does it all day long.
Okay.
इसको वैसे क्या वो इसको दिखाए इशारों से या और कोई जो करता है काम
Uh,
ये बहुत है ये
can you? Are there other commands he listens to?
Right.
Okay, can you like if it's okay with you if you're
Right. Steve, do the finger eight, yeah? Down here. Down.
Oh wow.
Steve? No, 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 no. Down. 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 This way. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left, Steve. No. Sit. Slightly tired.
Yeah, he
Not
looks.
like this.
Yeah, he looks tired.
Right. Big catch, yeah?
ठीक है। वो कह रहा थका हुआ है, मैंने यही पूछा अभी उससे। वो अच्छा अंकल ठीक है, मैं खा 4 मिनट।